Recently purchased Home Depot. This ladder has been for sale at Home Depot for $104 forever. Forever, year after year. I came back every week, not every week, but regular, and I kept looking at this ladder to see if it would ever go on sale. I think it went on sale once, and I swore I would not buy this ladder until the price dropped. And well, guess what? Today the price dropped, went down to $98 as the regular price from Home Depot. Regular price now is $98 for this ladder that's been on the store shelf for $104 for years. And I'm glad the price came down, because as soon as it did, I snapped one up. I love these ladders. I love that size. I love that it's got the magnetic holder here, and it's a fiberglass. It's a grade 1 ladder. It's 250 pounds. But this is the perfect ladder for a gentleman of my stature, 6'3", and I can reach up to the ceiling and sit on top shelf of that ladder, use it inappropriately, and get my access to the surface where I'm working typically, way up high in the sky. Okay, well, let's unbox this ladder. Let's take it out for a test drive. Oh, it's stiff. These hinges are riveted, and the rivets are tight, which is what you want, of course. Clamps down tight, holds fast. The steps feel natural. You can kind of lean your body weight and have your feet kind of holding you in position. I mean, I feel a lot of control on this ladder. It's very sturdy and stable. It's got a low center of gravity. And the higher I get up, I can still move back and forth and feel very confident, and making sure that my head doesn't go through the ceiling here on the second step of this ladder. And yeah, like I was saying, I can straddle the ladder, and I like to sit down on the ladder like this when I'm working up here at that, sitting on this ladder. It's great. I can even reach down with my foot to the other rail where you're not supposed to stand, with my other foot anchored on the ladder here, fully seated on this ladder, using it 100% inappropriately. But that's okay, because that's what I do. And yeah, a lot of times I'll hang my knee like this over the edge, and I got one foot anchored on the step, and I'm pulling out. I'm leaning way out here for my reach extension, my overextension, and I'm using this ladder so inappropriately. The OSHA and the powers that be are beside themselves when they come and see me. All right, well, that concludes this portion of this exercise. This unboxing is complete. I love this ladder. It works so well as long as you follow all of the warning and safety instructions. You should not have a problem with this ladder. Here's the technical specification of the ladder itself. It's a great ladder by Featherlite, sold by Home Depot for the low price of $98. Thanks for watching.